Hello, my name is Seth Cram and I am the author of Book Club. Book Club is a reputation-based writing platform that I built from the ground up using the MERN stack. The MERN stack consists of MongoDB, which is a NoSQL database, Express.js, which is a Node.js web application framework, primarily used for routing, React for the front-end user interface, and Node.js as the JavaScript runtime environment. So this website uses a REST API to communicate between the React frontend and the MongoDB backend. This REST API was written in JavaScript and uses AJAX for asynchronous communication. Additionally, it authenticates requests made to the API endpoints through verifying an encrypted JSON web token. So malicious users can't edit or delete your comments or your posts. This system is focused around crowdsourcing for user post and comment credibility. If we scroll down a bit here, we can see that each post has its own reputation score, which essentially gives you a good gauge of what the community feels about this post. And we can see that each post is given a preview as well as the author's username and kind of just a little blurb about what the post is about. And we can look at the details of these posts, but first let's look at how the homepage looks under different screen resolutions. So these different screen resolutions are detected and tailored using CSS media queries. So we just saw that the website in a tablet mode, so let's look at it in a phone view. We can see how it scales very well, and the navigation bar gets smaller to fit the smaller screen size. And let's return to desktop view. Let's go into the details of one of these posts. So let's go to this one, and we can see how the reputation score is 584. So if I upvote this post, it is now 585. That reflects some of the responsive nature of the website. Additionally, we can see how there's user information about the author for the post to readily assess how credible it is. And then there are comments that we can also up and downvote on, reply to, and create new comments. So let's look at what creating a new post looks like. So it's got a title, a user picture, and the categories that it will be searched under. Additionally, there's a full-featured text editor. Just like you'd find in Microsoft Word, you can embed videos, images, all that good stuff. And we can now edit or delete this post as well, since we are the author. So next, let's look at some of the search functionality of the website. So it has a search bar that you can search post names and post contents by. Additionally, you can search posts by their category, and you can search them by the username. So this is all posts by this user. Finally, let's look at some of the other features of the website, such as the light and dark mode switch. This was implemented using client-side local storage. And then if I go to my settings page, this is all the information that I can change about the user that'll be reflected in this user sidebar profile. And if I log out, I can then see the login and registration pages. Additionally, I think the main challenge I encountered while creating this project was deploying it out, getting it live at this URL. And if you're watching this video, you should be able to navigate to this URL and access the website at any time. And getting it deployed out, I deployed it out onto an AWS Linux instance. And some of the problems I encountered were proxy settings and production versus dev build. And essentially how I solved those was through doing my own research into process management tools and how to route traffic properly. Additionally, I learned more about AWS networking and EC2 instances and troubleshooted and debugged a lot of that myself, as well as watching informational videos. Thank you for sitting through this presentation. This was Book Club with Seth Cram. I'm its sole author, and I appreciate you watching this video, and I hope you have a great day.